A grandfather told his grandson, inside every person are two wolves fighting. One wolf is fear, anger, laziness, excuses. The other is faith, courage, discipline, growth. The boy asks, which wolf wins? The grandfather said, the wolf you feed. Feed the right things and starve the wrong things. If you feed the right things, they grow. You starve the wrong things, they wither and fade away. Thank you so much, friends, for your time. Kindly subscribe and click the like button for more of these videos. Thank you.